Do you think how old am I? Give me your guess. Pratik siya. Ha ha ha. Have tea, guys, tea. Ginger tea. Nice feeling, you know, when you just finish your shower and then you will drink something hot. Sweet 16. Wow. You made me feel pity to myself. I look 16 years old. You're 27. No, I'm 18 years old already, guys. Okay? So don't underestimate. I'm not underage with 16 years old, and I'm still so young with 27. My God.